Hi. For episode 129 app of the week, I'll be demonstrating a scanning app called Orioe AI. That's Oriole space AI. I'll be utilizing the Galaxy S21, and for speech services or TTS engine, I'm utilizing the Google Speech Services with variant voice number 5. I'll be using TalkBack 13.5 according to Samsung, and I will now navigate my way to Orioe AI and get started.
Orioe AI.
Tap to start.
Allow Orioe AI to send you notifications. Allow button out of pager.
We're being asked as to whether or not we'll like to allow it to send us notifications. For now, though, I'm going to tell it not to send me any notifications.
Don't allow button.
Tap.
Allow Orioe AI to take pictures and record video while using the app button.
I'm going to tap on while using the app.
Orioe AI button unlabeled.
I heard Orioe AI button unlabeled, and that's found near the top left. I'll move my finger down though, and let's read the information it has.
Terms and conditions.
We heard terms and conditions, and then
https://orioe.ai/ agree button.
And at the bottom is the agree button. I'm going to tap here to agree.
Cancel button.
We hear cancel, and that cancel is found near the top right corner. I'm just going to triple tap with 2 fingers here and let it read the information.
Turn any text into your own audible snapshot. Camera. Snap a photo of each page you are reading to turn it into speech. Clipboard. Paste text from your clipboard using the paste button to create a snapshot. Brain. Over 1,000 words, Orioe will generate a summary in the first page of your snapshot. Speaking head. Bonus. Create a profile to select from various AI voices to narrate your snapshots. Start snapping button.
And that's the button at the very bottom of the phone in the middle there, and it says start snapping. I will tap on that now and see what it does.
Orioe AI. Fab menu button.
Tapping on that, we heard Fab menu. So in other words, it's the navigational drawer found near the top left corner. Let's explore what we have though, because next to the right of that menu is a text string that says
Create a snapshot.
Create a snapshot. Now on the right edge of the phone are some buttons arranged vertically from the top right toward the middle of the phone, right there on the edge. And let's look at what these buttons are, starting from the top right.
Add 1,000 more words to get a summary. Icon, info, button.
We got info,
BDN past, button.
something medium pass. I wonder what that is. Let's tap here to see what that is.
Allow Orioe AI to record audio while using the app, button.
It says whether or not I want to allow it to record audio. I'll tap.
Add to your snapshot. Your text here, edit box.
And we hear your text here, edit box. And so it seems we could either type something or we can even do a voice dictation, because at the bottom we got some buttons.
Detected. Icon, close, button.
We got close, and to the right,
Detected. Icon, microphone, button.
there's a microphone, and to the right of that
Cancel, button.
is a cancel. So I'm going to put my finger in the
Your
middle of
text
the
here,
phone
edit
again.
box. Your
If I
text
tap,
here, English, US, QWERTY shown.
it brings
Expand
up the
toolbar.
keyboard that I can use in typing. I'm going to go back.
Keyboard hidden.
Let's try the microphone, see if it works. That's the button in the middle, which is...
Detected. Icon, microphone, button.
Let's go ahead and tap here. Hello and welcome to Blind Android Users episode 129. This is demonstrating an app called Orioe AI, period. I am using voice dictation to see if it works, period. In other words, this voice dictation is coming straight from Orioe AI, period. This concludes the test, period.
Period.
Now I'm going to put my finger down and see if it reads it.
Hello and welcome to Blind Android Users episode 129. This is demonstrating an app called Orioe AI period. I am using voice dictation to see if it works period. In other words, this voice dictation is coming straight from Orioe AI period. This concludes the test period. Edit box, your text here.
As you can see, for some reason, actually, it puts in my punctuations as words. So the voice dictation may not be something one would want to use. After all, the strength of this app is not the voice dictation. I didn't know it even has a voice dictation, but the strength is the scanning capability. I'm going to tap on the close button,
Detected. Icon, close, button. Cancel, button.
and it's asking me if I want to
Delete
save
text.
it or I want to delete
This
it.
action will permanently delete this text.
And on the bottom, in the middle of the phone on the right, is the delete.
Cancel, button. Delete, button.
Delete there on the right, and to the left is the cancel. I'm going to delete.
Orioe AI. BDN passed, button. Detected. Icon, microphone, button.
Next one is microphone, and it's going to do the same thing, I believe. So let's move on. Next, we got
Detected. Icon, gallery, button.
below that,
BDN flash, button.
and
Detected. Icon, refresh, button.
the refresh button. Now, at the very bottom, there's a single button, and that button is
Capture, button.
capture. That's the one we want to try. So now I'm going to stand up here a little bit, and I've written something down and printed it out, and I'm going to tap on that to see if we capture that text. Let's try it. Here we go. I hope you guys can hear me from there.
Capture, button. Confirm image.
I tapped on capture and I heard confirm image. Let's look at what we got, starting from the top. I don't hear anything at the top. Let's go toward the bottom.
Retake, button.
I have a retake button on the bottom left,
Confirm, button.
and there's a confirm on the right. That's all we have. So I'm going to tap on confirm.
Cropping image. Progress bar, in progress. Orioe AI. Confirm, button. Extracting text from image. Orioe AI. Fab menu, button.
I heard it extracting text from the image, and now it lands me on the top left corner there on the menu button. Now I'm going to put my finger to the right of that menu,
Create a snapshot.
create a snapshot,
Add 972 more words to get a summary.
and to the right of that are those buttons that are arranged in a vertical
Detected.
manner.
Icon, info, button.
Info. Now let's go toward the bottom, see what we find. Starting from the left, we got 3 buttons going to the right. The first button at the bottom we got,
Edit, button.
there's the edit button, and to the right of that,
Capture, button.
there's a capture button, and on the right of that
Done, button.
is a done button. And now at the very bottom, just below those 3 buttons, we have a couple more buttons. From the left, we've got
Capture, selected.
capture selected, so it's like a tab, and then to the right of it
Play.
is the play button. So I'm assuming that if I tap on this, it should be playing what I just captured. Let's try and see what happens.
Selected.
I tapped on play, it says selected. I didn't hear anything. So I'm thinking of what I needed to do was to tap on the done button. And now I'm going to tap on that done button on the right, to the right of the
Capture, button.
capture button.
Done, button.
Tap there.
Name your snapshot. Enter title, edit box. Enter title.
Okay,
English
so
US
now
40 shown.
we need to give it a
Expand
title.
toolbar. 6. Voice input, button.
Our first test with Orioe AI. All right, I'm going to tap on done
Done.
at the
Our
bottom
first
of the
test with Orioe
keyboard.
AI, edit box, enter title.
And
OK, button.
at the bottom is an OK button.
Creating snapshot audio.
Hello
it
and
says-
welcome to episode
Speedy narrow
129
down,
of the
button.
Blind Android Users podcast. In this week's App of the Week, I'm demonstrating an app called
It seems it cut off part of it. It sounded good though. Now we got some buttons. We got
Fab menu, button.
that menu is there on the top left and to the right.
Our first test with Orioe AI, selected.
And that's the name of the file. And to the right,
More, button.
we got more. Let's tap on that.
Pop-up window. View images, button.
View images and
Edit title, button.
edit the title.
Copy summary text, button.
We could copy the summary of the text if I have enough.
Copy page text, button.
Next,
Copy snapshot text, button. Delete snapshot, button.
I could delete it. And that's the last one. Let's go back.
Our first test with Orioe AI. Detected. Icon, down, button.
So here toward the middle of the phone going down, we got,
Slower, button.
that's the first one on the left, going right,
By 1.00, button, disabled.
right.
Faster, button.
That's faster. And that's the last button there. Then another row of buttons, starting from the one that says slower. Below that, we've got on the left,
Slow.
we've got slow, going right.
Switch, off.
And there's a switch to switch that off or on, go right.
Fast.
Then there's a fast. That's the last button there. Now below those, starting from the left again,
010.
we have 0, 10. It's 10 seconds going right. Now below that, we have some other buttons.
Detected. Icon, left, text, K, button,
Say left, go right.
button. Detected. Text, 15.
15, go right.
Play, button.
There's a play, go right.
Detected. Icon, refresh, button,
Refresh, and one more button.
button.
It just says button, and I don't know what that does. I'm going to tap on it anyway, see what it does. Nothing. Now I'm going to tap on the one that says play. Let's play it again.
Play, button.
Hello and welcome to episode 129 of the Blind
Play,
Android
button.
Users Podcast. In this week's App of the Week, I'm demonstrating an app called E.
There we go. So that's what I got. All right, I'm going to go back.
Orioe AI, Fab menu, button.
Let's go ahead and look at the menu before we bring this to a close.
Orioe AI, email.
So we hear email.
Example@gmail.com, edit box.
You could put your email in there.
Password.
Password.
Password, edit box. Forgot password, button. Login, button.
And then the login.
Or login with Google, button.
Login with Google.
Sign up, button.
Or sign up. And that concludes a short tour of Orioe AI. Sounds like a good app. I'm not sure. It needs a little bit of work, but you be the judge.